Hello folks. Wow, we got a beautiful snow dump. And today, for YouTubers, I like to show my high-rise DIY quad snow plow. So I made the plow of a 3/16 of a propane tank. See, I didn't even do anything yet because I'm just going to have to take the snow where it comes, and then the unique stuff is this one is actually a pretty thick stock. You know those 250 liter or 500 liter propane tank, so their curve is perfect. They're perfect curves. Before I set up 2 foot for it, I put 2 pieces of 1-inch PVC septic pipes on there. Works just fine, but I still like the foot. I ordered the spring. They're coming, so I'll replace those spongy cord with the. Okay, now I'm going to show you how I change the corner. So this is the index. See the hose, and then here's the control. I can raise that. So today I'm going to show you how high the things can raise. This is where, see, I can get a pretty good angle. I plowed my neighborhood and my driveway. This morning we got about, 16 inches of snow, and between 12 to 16, let's say. So my driveway is about 250 feet long. So it took me 5 minutes to get it plowed through and clean up the front of the gate. So you see how thick? Yeah. Now they got like 16 inches right over there on the roof. So the things that I'm trying to show is I got a pair of Polaris, about 2,000 quad. They're all breaking down, so I fix it up, and then now they run beautifully. I'm trying to show you my high-rise. Why is high-rise plow? When you use the plow to plow snow, once you slow reach to the bank, usually they can't push anymore. But if you have a high-rise one, you can actually lifting the snow quite much higher. See? I literally, see how high? This is the bank. I lift it up to about 5 feet. I can lift the snow into a snowbank of 5 feet. So that's the feature of this plow. And also they can pivot either side for about 20-25 degrees. So sideways you can side discharge the stuff. It's basically pretty simple. There's a plug and a bunch of hose. You should change the corner. So now I'm going to show you guys how I take this out and then put it into the middle one. That's my middle one. There we go. That's the straight one. Okay. And well, this is a scrappy material, but it's good stock of a propane tank. It's nice and thick, so I don't have to beef it up. So in the back, see? This is how tall I can get. So that's why I call it high-rise. See? That's how tall. I can raise almost 20 inches. Let's see. Do I have it? No. I'll take. Just a moment. Sorry. I'm taking a roller to see how much. Yeah, 21 inches. I can raise 21 inches from the ground. That's pretty high. If you buy a commercial plow, 10 feet, that's maximum. So when you're going to move the snow to the snowbank, this raise would really lifting the snow up 20-some inches away from the bank. That helps a lot when you have a deep snow. So, yeah, this is where, see how close to the winch. The whole thing cost me $10 of fish welding rod, some plasma cutting, and then all the cost is about this winch. I paid $80, 2,000 pound winch, which is very so you see they are pivoting to avoid obstacles. If you have a hard obstacles, this thing actually pivoting forward. And then well, if you have a budget system like this, I paid $500 for the quad and rebuilt the power head and go through everything. So brakes, 4-wheel drives, and so far so good. Actually, I can put the lights on. You can hear the blower. I put the blower as a manual, so I didn't put a sensor in there, but it's okay. Yeah, it's fairly bright. I was doing some snow plowing last night, doing really well with this light. It's what, 125 watt, only drawn like 200 milliamps. So before it was 100 real watt. Now it's only about 5 watt. So my battery will last for a long time. Okay, I plowed snow this morning, so it takes 5 minutes to get my little place here and also my gate cleared up. Before, like this kind of snow will take me an hour. Yeah, back-breaking work. Thank you guys. Enjoy the white Christmas. And then this one has actually clips there too. I can just switch this plow onto that machine. They both work really well. That one has a built-in winch, so I don't have to retrofit a winch. This one, I literally have to rebuild the winch. So that's actually a PVC pipe here as a slider. Put a little bit grease. Doing really well. We'll wear out and then replace another piece. I got lots of it. I got hundreds of feet of those pipes. Sounds good. Enjoy the white Christmas, and then we'll probably be having a couple of more snows. I'm happy. I can't wait for the next snow. Thank you guys.